Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Chris. In today's video, we're going to go pick up the 300ZX from Z1. I'm going to do a walkthrough around the car, and I'm going to drive it for the very first time. It's you and I. So Monday morning, I went and picked up the trailer, and then I picked up my passenger, and we left for the 581-mile trip. We left Monday morning, and we got down there Monday night around 6. At 8 o'clock the next morning, we were up and ready to go for Tuesday morning. Drove over to Z1 where I had some camera issues and whatnot. And then we were able to drive back again, still having some camera issues. And we got it back Tuesday night. Hey guys, here we are just outside of Atlanta. We're about ready to go pick up the Z. So Tuesday morning, we drove over to Z1. And picked up the car. Unfortunately, I had some video camera issues, and also I only really got to drive it around the parking lot once, onto the trailer, and then home, where all I did was just drive it in the garage because I had to start a trip to Massachusetts to go back home for a funeral. So ladies and gentlemen, I didn't really get a good test drive yet of the Z. All it was about getting it on the trailer that day. When I picked it up, I had a lot of technical difficulties while I was down there with my video cameras and stuff, so I really didn't get any footage. So I finally have it back, and it's kind of ready to go. I'm going to do a walk around of the car, let you see what's going on, and then we'll get on to driving it for the first time. So here's the first thing. We got a new bumper on it, the JDM bumper, and here it is. It looks pretty good. I mean, it sounds really nice when I just pulled it up into the driveway off the trailer. As you can see, I don't really have an interior right now, but got the white. This is silver. I don't know if you can really tell. It's primered. It's really dirty. Unfortunately, my license plate is gone. I don't know whereabouts it is, and I still need to get a rear wiper for it. But I got my 350Z rims on it. As you can see, it's still, no interior, but it's pretty strong. Still pretty good. I can't wait to get the interior done and get it in the car. But that'll be coming up for you guys in a little bit. But again, I haven't gotten this up yet because I've been away to Massachusetts. I had a family member pass away, so I've been away from Virginia. Haven't really gotten a chance to drive it yet. So today's going to be the first day. Before we start getting driving, I'm going to do a quick startup of it, and we'll let you listen to it. It's kind of loud, but here we go. I haven't really gotten to play with it yet, but I did put it in the passenger seat because I'm going to go driving around and, if I got a friend, but not many of those. As you can tell, it's pretty loud already. They told me it's going to be around 20 PSI is what they're going to go with, if you guys can hear me. But it's pretty nice. I like it. Got the 3-inch exhaust, and it's running really well. So let's get it out on the street and let's have some fun. All right, we're just gonna go for a quick little ride. Let's see how this thing handles. Some nice good kick. Let's see. So first ride is done. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. Pretty cool day. I met the other guy named Guy. That's his name. Really cool guy. Has 4 240Zs, a Z32, and his kid has a Z31. Really cool guy. Fun to talk to, but that really ended the ride. I pretty much just brought it home. Couple things I need to do with the car, you know, get that interior in. It was going to really quiet down my cabin. And just get it going, man. Get new license plates. That's something I have set for tomorrow morning. Got to go to DMV, you know, everybody's favorite. But thanks for watching. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, like it, comment if you want. Give me some constructive criticism if you want. Don't criticize that word because I just screwed that one up royally. But you guys have a good one.